This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the only appetizer you need for the fall. I'm Dietitian Shelly. Join me in the kitchen.
Let's make our low-carb pumpkin dip by starting off with a package of cream cheese. Now, it's 8 ounces of cream cheese. It is softened, and we're going to use our hand mixer. Now, y'all know me. I do not have no fancy blender mixer. It may be on my Christmas list this year. I don't know. But I'm loving my hand mixer. You're going to beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want it to get, really fluffy, really creamy. And to this, we're going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now, again, y'all go to Walmart and Kroger and get this. Don't be going to no fancy stores. Y'all know I got a middle school and an elementary school. I can't be affording to go to them places. I got to be going to Walmart, the Dollar Tree, and all that stuff. Half a cup for heavy whipping cream, 3 grams of carbs. Now, we are going to mix this for about 3 to 5 minutes. We want it to get super fluffy, just absolutely, just lovely and have that peak and have all that stuff. Pretty much, we just want it to be fluffy. And hey, if you're liking this video, be sure to give it a like or a thumbs up or whatever they call that stuff. I'm Dietitian Shelly, giving you some great low carb recipes. Remember to subscribe. To this, we're going to add our 100% pumpkin. Now, confession time, y'all. I ain't the biggest fan of pumpkin. I'm not that girl who's like, oh my God, pumpkin spice latte. But I like it in this dip. Now, I know a lot of y'all are panicking. We're putting a cup in here and you're just, oh my gosh, how much carbs? Half a cup has 6 grams of carbs, 1.3 grams of fiber. So we're a little under 5 grams of carbs per half cup. But remember, we're not eating this whole cup of pumpkin in one sitting. This is in a dip. So you're going to be okay. So quit sweating like the you-know-what in church. If you want to put a dirty remark down like, oh, no, pumpkin, please do so. But it's a cup, and I'm using it. Swerve, my favorite sugar replacer. Y'all know why. It's a New Orleans product. That'd be a third a cup of Swerve. But it's also non-GMO, and I feel like it tastes really wonderful. If you want to use monk fruit, go for it, boo-boo. Add in a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of our pumpkin spice. And again, gang, I'm not into heavy-handed spices, but if you really like a stronger ginger flavor, if you really like a stronger pumpkin spice flavor, please go ahead and add it to this. Now, another big question, and yes, you're going to continue to mix this, is what the heck are we going to serve this with? Da-da-da-da! The Fat Snacks cookies. They're gluten-free, grain-free, and me personally, I feel like they have the best taste. Now, if you were too busy laughing instead of writing this recipe down, scroll into the description. I got it for you. Get your 7-day menu. Why don't you? That's low carb based. And again, I'm Dietitian Shelly, sending you lots of love, lots of laughs, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks, gang. Bye-bye.